Have you ever pondered the mysteries of the universe? What lies beyond the edge of our understanding? Let's take a journey to a place that has long been a source of intrigue and speculation, the Bermuda Triangle. An enigma wrapped within the folds of the Atlantic Ocean, forming an invisible boundary between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This is a realm of the unknown, notorious for its unexplained disappearances. Over the decades, it has swallowed up numerous ships and planes, leaving no trace behind, as if they've crossed into another dimension. The tales of those who vanished here are woven into the fabric of maritime folklore, casting a shadow of mystery that looms large to this day. As we embark on this exploration, prepare to delve deep into the heart of uncertainty where fact blurs with fiction. This is the Vanishing Horizon, a mystery that continues to baffle us. Imagine sailing or flying into a space where the rules of reality no longer apply. That's the sensation many have reported when crossing into the Bermuda Triangle, a place where the horizon seems to vanish, taking with it ships and planes, leaving no trace behind. This phenomenon, known as the Vanishing Horizon, is as mesmerizing as it is perplexing. The concept of the Vanishing Horizon is one that has puzzled experts for decades. It's as though the Bermuda Triangle swallows vessels whole, leaving not a scrap of evidence behind. The absence of wreckage, distress signals, or any other tangible evidence makes these disappearances all the more chilling. Now let's delve into some notable instances. There's the infamous case of Flight 19, a group of 5 torpedo bombers that disappeared during a routine training mission in 1945. All 14 airmen on board were lost, and to this day, their fate remains an unsolved mystery. Then there's the chilling case of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a tanker carrying a crew of 39, which vanished in 1963. Despite extensive search efforts, no trace of the ship or its crew was ever found. And who could forget the private yacht Witchcraft that disappeared in 1967, just a mile off the coast of Miami? Despite being equipped with a special flotation device that was supposed to make it unsinkable, the yacht and its 2 passengers disappeared without a trace. These are just a few examples among hundreds of disappearances that have occurred within the Bermuda Triangle over the years. Each case is a chilling reminder of the enigma that is the Vanishing Horizon. In the Bermuda Triangle, the horizon isn't just a line, it's a vanishing point. It's a place where the familiar becomes strange, where the known world seems to give way to the unknown. As we continue to probe this mystery, we are left with more questions than answers. What is it about this particular stretch of ocean that causes these strange occurrences? Is there a rational explanation waiting to be discovered, or is the Bermuda Triangle truly a portal to the unknown? Only time and continued exploration will tell. The Bermuda Triangle isn't just known for its disappearances, it's also known for its mysteries. This is a place where the ordinary rules of navigation and physics seem to be suspended, where compasses spin wildly and even time seems to bend. Now, let's delve into the theories that attempt to explain the so-called Vanishing Horizon. Some researchers suggest that magnetic anomalies are to blame. They propose that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This could potentially confuse pilots and sailors, leading to navigational errors. But can a simple navigational mishap explain the disappearance of entire ships and airplanes? The jury is still out on that one. Another theory points to the existence of vast fields of underwater methane hydrates. Some speculate that if these gas deposits were to rupture and release their methane, they could create a sort of bubble that would swallow ships whole. For aircraft, the theory suggests that methane gas could cause engines to fail mid-flight. However, while intriguing, this theory lacks substantial evidence. Then there are those who lean towards more unconventional explanations. Some suggest the presence of alien activity or even the existence of a portal to another dimension within the triangle's boundaries. These theories, while fascinating, have yet to gain mainstream scientific acceptance. One of the most enduring theories is that of unusual weather patterns. The Bermuda Triangle is known for its sudden, violent storms, which could potentially capsize ships or bring down planes. However, weather alone cannot explain why the wrecks of these ill-fated vessels are seldom found. Yet no theory has been able to conclusively explain the Vanishing Horizon. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a source of fascination and fear. Despite the many theories put forth, The triangle holds tight to its secrets, keeping us on the edge of our seats, wondering what truly lies beneath its enigmatic waves. Let's hear it from those who've been there, who've experienced the uncanny. Our first eyewitness is former naval officer John Harris. He recounts a peculiar incident while sailing through the vanishing horizon in the early 90s. According to John, his compass started spinning uncontrollably and the radio went dead. The sky turned an eerie green, and then, as quickly as it had begun, everything returned to normal. But the time on his watch had inexplicably jumped ahead by 30 minutes. Next, we have Amelia, a seasoned pilot, who shares an equally unsettling experience. While flying over the region, she felt a sudden dramatic drop in temperature. Her instruments malfunctioned, and she saw a blinding flash of light. Then, everything returned to normal. However, when she landed, she discovered that she had arrived at her destination almost an hour earlier than expected, a phenomenon known as time dilation. We also spoke with marine biologist Dr. Elizabeth Turner. While conducting underwater research in the area, she and her team noticed bizarre, bioluminescent patterns in the water column, patterns that seemed to respond to their movements. Despite having explored oceans worldwide, Dr. Turner admits she's never seen anything quite like it. Finally, let's hear from Captain Jake Peterson, a seasoned mariner with over 30 years of experience. He shares a spine-chilling encounter while sailing on a moonless night, where he saw the horizon seemingly vanish, only to reappear as a glowing spectral line. He claims that he saw shadows moving in the water, shadows that weren't cast by any known object. These first-hand accounts, each unique yet eerily similar, paint a picture of a place where the laws of physics seem to warp and twist. They provide a chilling testament to the strange occurrences within the vanishing horizon, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown. These first-hand accounts add yet another layer to the mystery of the vanishing horizon. But what does science have to say about all this? Let's dive into the rational perspective that scientists offer on the enigmatic Bermuda Triangle. Many scientists argue that the Bermuda Triangle is not a mystery at all. They point to the fact that the area is one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world, with vessels crossing through it daily for ports in the Americas, Europe, and the Caribbean islands. High traffic inevitably leads to higher incident rates. They suggest that the statistical probability of accidents in such a bustling area is often overlooked. Furthermore, the so-called magnetic anomalies that supposedly disrupt compasses? Scientists contend these deviations are well within the normal range found throughout the world. Weather also plays a significant role. Rapid and severe weather changes are common in this part of the world and can catch sailors and pilots off guard. But what about the vanishing acts? The disappearances that leave no trace? Well, the Gulf Stream, a major surface current, is extremely swift and turbulent. It's known to quickly erase any evidence of a disaster. Also, the Bermuda Triangle has some of the deepest underwater trenches in the world. If a ship or plane sinks into these abysses, it would seemingly disappear without a trace. Some of the most rational minds have even addressed the issue of mysteriously malfunctioning equipment. They argue that human error and technological failure are far more likely culprits than any supernatural phenomena. But here's where things get interesting. Despite these logical explanations, the Bermuda Triangle still holds its shroud of mystery. Why? Because science, as comprehensive as it may be, doesn't have all the answers yet. There are incidents that defy these rational explanations, leaving us with more questions than answers. Yet even science cannot explain everything about the vanishing horizon. So, while we have theories and explanations, the Bermuda Triangle continues to intrigue and confound us, keeping the legend alive. It's a stark reminder that there's still so much we don't understand about our world. There's one theory that takes a different route altogether. Dare to dive deep into the realm of the unknown, and you might stumble upon the underwater city theory. This intriguing proposition suggests that beneath the waves of the triangle, there lies an ancient, lost civilization. The proponents of this theory believe that this submerged city is equipped with technology far beyond our comprehension. A technology that could potentially interfere with our modern navigation systems, leading to the infamous disappearances. It's a notion that teeters on the edge of science fiction, yet it's too fascinating to dismiss outright. Imagine, if you will, an Atlantis-like metropolis forgotten by time and hidden by the ocean's depths. If such a city does exist, could it be the reason for the Bermuda Triangle's enigmatic reputation? Could the vanishing horizon be a gateway to a forgotten world? As our journey comes to an end, the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle persist. We've navigated through the annals of history, uncovering tales of inexplicable disappearances that continue to baffle us. We've delved into a myriad of theories, from magnetic anomalies to the possibility of an ancient underwater city, each more intriguing than the last. We've heard from those who've braved the triangle's depths and emerged with tales of unexplainable phenomena. Science has offered us rational perspectives, debunking some myths, and yet many questions remain unanswered. The Bermuda Triangle, or the Vanishing Horizon as it's often called, continues to be an enigma. Each theory, each account, each scientific explanation only adds more layers to the mystery rather than peeling them away. The allure of the unknown persists, keeping this legend alive. The Vanishing Horizon invites us to question, to explore, and to seek answers beyond the edge of our understanding.